Good evening, parents, and welcome to the ASB Open House. I want to welcome you to the music department. My name is Mr. Peter, and I'm originally from Northern Ireland, but I've been living here in Barcelona for the past 20 years, and I've been working at ASB for the past 16 years. So I want to welcome you to the music department. This is the music room where first and second grade will be having their music classes. I teach music in the early childhood center as well, and also to first and second grade. So let me just explain a little bit about the music department and the curriculum. We have four pillars which drive our music curriculum. The first one is performing, and that just means that the kids sing, they dance, they do creative movement, they play instruments, mostly percussion. And then we have creating, where the children come up with their own musical ideas, or they improvise, or they use dance to be creative. And then the third one is listening and responding, and that's when the kids listen to pre-recorded music and they analyze it or answer questions about it and begin to understand it more. And finally, we have connecting, and that's when the kids connect the music that they're learning about to another subject area or something personal in their lives. So those are the four pillars that drive our curriculum. And within those pillars, we do a lot of singing, we do a lot of dancing, we do a lot of creative movement, and we do some composition. And hopefully, during the year, we'll be able to have some special events, and hopefully, we'll be able to put on a winter show, which is what we normally do here at ASB, COVID permitting. And if we can't, then we'll try and do something virtually. So I want to welcome you again to the school. And if you have any questions, then please feel free to get in contact with me. I'll do my best to answer your questions about the music department. And I look forward to working with all your children, and I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.